Hey everybody, Kris Gethin here and welcome to Cooking with Caged. Today I'm going to show you how to utilize the micellar casein isolate. Now there is a little bit of confusion with proteins and what proteins to take at the right times. So the times that you should definitely take the micellar casein is before bed. Why? Because it's a very slow digesting protein. What you'll notice is that when you mix it, it mixes extremely thick and it causes a gel-like substance in your stomach which allows a slow release of amino acids into your body, which is perfect while you're sleeping, i.e. fasting, so you don't lose muscle. You want to make sure that you're in an anti-catabolic state. And it's perfect to kill cravings as well. Whether you use the chocolate flavor or the vanilla flavor, what I personally like to do is have this in a bowl and mix it thick, like a dessert. So then I'm having that before bed and it's killing my cravings at the same time. So even though I suggest you have it before bed, look, if there's any time in a day, in the afternoon, you feel like, you know what, I want something sweet, then have one of these, because one scoop only gives you 130 calories and 26 grams of protein. You think about it, and 1 gram of sugar. You think about a lot of protein bars out there. For that amount of protein, you're probably gonna have about 260, 300 calories and a lot of sugar, okay? So this is perfect. So this is what I like to do. I like to have a bowl, and then I'll take out a scoop of the micellar casein here, maybe a scoop and a half sometimes if I'm feeling cheeky, there. And this is naturally flavored and naturally colored, and this is the chocolate that I've got here, so I'm a bit of a chocoholic. Then I've got like half a cup of blueberries here, wild blueberries that I'll throw in, and I like to have some crunch, so I'm having nurturing chocolate here from the casein and then a bit of angry fruit from the nuts. I've got some cashews, but you can use almonds, walnuts, whatever you want. And then to give it an even more creamy texture, I have some unsweetened almond milk. You can use water, that's absolutely fine, it tastes phenomenal, but this puts like a bit of a vanilla edge into the chocolate. So I'll add a little bit of the almond milk there, and this will take a while to stir in. The reason being is because it's quite powdery, because I insisted on having the thickest casein on the market. Especially if you're in a calorie deficit, you want a lot of volume. So you want it to be as thick as you possibly can, you know? Like you can mix it in a shaker for sure, but I much prefer to have it in a bowl. So what I do is add just a minimal amount of almond milk, and then I continue adding as needed. And as you can see, I think I've just hit the spot. I've got the perfect amount here. So there we are. Was it less than 40 seconds of mixing? And now I've got a beautiful dessert. Now you can have it just like this, or you can put it in the fridge or the freezer for say 10 minutes or 30 minutes in the fridge, and it'll thicken even more. And it's nice and cold, and it's beautiful just to sit in front of the TV, read a book, kill those cravings, whilst having a very high protein, naturally flavored casein to satisfy your taste buds and your muscular needs. That is beautiful. So you've got the slow amino acids, slow digesting amino acids. Also got the antioxidants from the blueberries here. Got our healthy essential fats from the nuts, and a little bit of creaminess, goodness from the unsweetened almond milk. Why on earth would you want to cheat on anything else other than something that's healthy for you? You give that a go. If you're suffering from some cravings and you want something before you go to bed so you are able to fight catabolism while you sleep, this is it. The naturally flavored KAGED Muscle Micellar Casein Isolate.